It's Christmas morning, 2013.
Where's my spot? Claire, I bet yours is over there because your balloon's there.
I think it's Anna. Behind me is Bridget, and over there is Claire.
On a dress. Yep, it's yours. Anna, I got a tea set and a sweater. And Anna, look what I got. No fair. I got a this. Anna, Bridget, and Claire. Uncle John, Aunt Mona. This is Anna, Bridget, and Claire.
That's
Uncle
from
John
Sarah.
and Aunt Mona. Can I open it first? Can I open this first?
Yeah.
I got a little phone. I got a little camera. Something funny. What is that?
Oh,
But
look.
that was from Uncle John and Aunt Mona.
That's
This one.
nice.
What the hell is this? I got a map.
Let's see.
Now it's open. I got a map. I gotta see this. Mommy, look what I
I
got.
think it's a special pen from Japan. It's a special pen from Japan.
Mommy, look what I got.
I think. Or no, wait, no, maybe it's.
I also got a coloring book. Look what I got.
I don't know. Yeah.
Mommy. Maybe just for tomorrow. Mommy.
Come here, let's look at the food. Look what Santa Claus did. Come here. Come here, come here, come here.
I don't even know what he probably left the carrot because there's only 8 carrots. There's only 8 kids. You're Hey,
All right, Bo, we'll let you out. We love you. We love you. There's Bo. We love you too, Tommy. You got a big balloon for your American Girl dolls, Claire Marie.
What is that, a hockey stick?
Yeah, like she's a
Oh, you got Mia St. Clair, the skater. They don't even make her. That's a special Santa one.
Thanks. What about mine?
That's a special Santa one. They don't make her.
Oh,
You can look at the
pajamas
catalog. They don't
too.
make her.
I got pajamas.